box. Number 3 is Flashforge Creator Pro 3D Printer. The Flashforge Creator Pro 3D Printer is an exceptional choice for those pursuing outstanding value for their money. It boasts a patented dual extruder that supports dual color and dual material printing, making it an excellent option for advanced users in the industry, engineering, and product development. It also offers ventilative and enclosed printing options for printing various filaments, including PLA, ABS, PVA, HIPS, TPE, TPU, and PETG. Its precision manufacturing process, which includes industrial-grade manufacturing and double linear guide design, sets the Creator Pro apart, providing high precision and fast printing speeds. Moreover, the Creator Pro supports various slicing engines such as Simplify 3D, Replicator G, Makerware, Slick 3R, Skyforge, and Cura, making it an open-source software 3D printer. This printer caters to diverse users, including designers, tinkerers, hobbyists, home users, and educational institutions for project-based learning. The Creator Pro's impressive features make it an excellent 3D printer for beginners and advanced users. It is a sleek industrial design and high-end manufacturing makes it a reliable and efficient investment, perfect for those seeking a professional-grade 3D printing experience. If you want to buy the printer, check out the link in the description box below.